Today I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to do a bald fade followed by a straight razor shave. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the balding clippers and create my guideline for the areas that are going to be completely bald. Yep. And normally I do both sides first before I connect it to the back. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to fade down. After I put in my bald guide, then I start from my longest point, which is going to be a number 2 guard. This is a 2 opened up to a half up near the part, and I'm not completely going in with the round of the head. Now I'm going to go down with a 1 about half an inch from my initial guideline, and then I'm going to blend from the 1 into the 2 by opening it up. So that's the 1 closed, and then I'm going to open it up just about 2 clicks. These clippers have a total of 4 clicks, so 4 is all the way open. And just start flicking the line out. And then another 2 clicks completely open. And then from here, I'm going to take out this line by using just a 0 all the way closed on the clipper, and then working my way up until that line is completely gone, flicking outwards, not going in with the round of the head. All right, So for the top of his hair, he does wear a side part, which we will cut the part in later. But since he wears his hair to the side, I'm going to take horizontal sections, bringing it up more of a square shape. I'm not going to go in with the round of his head because we want these hairs here to be a little longer to lay over. So it's going to be a little bit shorter as we come to the side that he wears it on, because it is more blended here while this is disconnected. I'm actually going to put conditioner in your hair because it is so stick straight. For the back, I'm taking sections that go along with the swirl of the calico of the hair in the way that the hair wants to lay. So that is the direction that my sections are going to be in for this part to get it to blend. And as I make my way to these last probably 2 or 3 sections in the front, I'm going to over direct the hair coming back because his head rounds forward, and I'm not going to go forward with it. I'm going to bring it straight up to my previous section. So for blending this side, his hair grows in this somewhat forward direction, diagonal forward direction. So that's how I'm going to take my sections, diagonal forward, and just blending from what I cut up here, because I stopped cutting it about right here, so this section still needs to be blended down into where we did the number 2 with the clippers. Before we cut in the part, I'm just going to clean up these long hairs. Shear over comb. Okay, so now I'm going to use a clear shave gel, put it on the part, and cut a very fine line with the straight razor to set the part in. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do the part really thin like that because we don't like it to look super thick and unnatural. It tapers down really thin back towards the hairline so that it blends in. And as far as this front hairline here, we are going to keep that natural. I'm not going to use the razor until about this point down here, up here in this corner. We're going to keep that natural. I'm going to put the shave gel down here where we did the balding clipper, and I'm going to go back over it with the straight razor.